Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Google search bar on your Android home screen, on Android phone home screen. You'll be able to search for Google instantly, very easy. So what you need to do is just open your phone. Open your phone, go and find an empty space on your phone like this, and the first thing is make sure you have already downloaded Google on your phone. Google is on your phone. If you don't have Google on your phone, you can go to Play Store and go and download Google, not Chrome or anything, Google. So what you need to do is, once you've downloaded it finished, just open your phone on your home screen phone like this. Just open your phone now, double click on it like this. Once you double click like this, it's going to bring all this icon. Now what you need to do is click on this widget icon. Once you click on this widget icon, so what I need to do is, sorry, I want to add it here. So click on widget icon, then you go and search for Google. So when you search for Google like this, click on it. Once you click on Google like this, what you need to do is you're going to exactly where you want to put on your Google. So I want to put this place. You can see that I scroll. You can see for search or for this place, just click on here, click on add to, and this is it. You can arrange it here like this, and it's very easy. You can see. So if I wanted to use it, I could just click on it. I'll be able to go to Google instantly without stressing myself. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.